Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how to use Zoho Project for employee engagement initiatives. Let's dive right in. First up is creating a new project in Zoho. It's really simple. Just click on the New Project button, give it a name, set your start and end dates, and hit Create. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Having a project set up gives you a central hub to organize and monitor all your engagement initiatives, making the whole process much more streamlined and efficient. Next, we're going to set up tasks within our project. You can do this by clicking on the Tasks tab and then the Add Task button. Now, these tasks can be anything from holding team-building exercises to conducting employee surveys. The reason we do this is because each task represents an individual engagement initiative, allowing you to break down your overall project into manageable chunks. Now, you'll want to assign these tasks to your team members. Simply click on the task, then select Assign To, and choose the appropriate team member from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it ensures that every engagement initiative has a dedicated person responsible for its execution, promoting accountability and transparency within your team. So, we have our project, we have our tasks, and we have our team. But how do you know if your engagement initiatives are effective? Well, this is where Zoho's Reports feature comes in handy. You can generate various reports like task progress or employee feedback to gauge the success of your initiatives. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho collects all the data from your project and presents it in an easy-to-understand format, giving you valuable insights into your employee engagement efforts. Lastly, always remember to communicate. Zoho provides several tools for this, such as the chat feature for instant communication and the forum for more in-depth discussions. Communication is key in any engagement initiative as it fosters a sense of community and belonging among your employees. And there you have it. That's how you can use Zoho Project for employee engagement initiatives. Remember, the secret to successful engagement lies in planning, executing, measuring, and communicating. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.